Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how the foreclosure process works. When a homeowner falls behind on their mortgage payments, the lender will usually send a notice of default. This initial step often occurs after one or two missed payments, signaling the start of a formal process. Understanding these early stages is crucial for homeowners facing financial difficulties. We'll cover the key phases involved, from initial default to the final sale of the property. After a homeowner misses several payments, the lender issues a formal notice of default. This document officially starts the pre-foreclosure period, which can last for a few months. During this time, homeowners have an opportunity to work with their lender to avoid foreclosure. They might explore options like a loan modification, a repayment plan, or even a short sale. It's a critical window to take action and potentially save the home. The foreclosure process can proceed in one of two main ways: judicial or non-judicial. Judicial foreclosure requires the lender to file a lawsuit in court, leading to a judge's final order for sale. Non-judicial foreclosure typically occurs when the mortgage contract includes a power of sale clause. This allows the lender to sell the property without court intervention, following strict state guidelines. Both methods ultimately lead to the property's sale. Once the pre-foreclosure period ends and no resolution is reached, the property is typically sold at a public auction. The highest bidder purchases the home, and the proceeds are used to satisfy the outstanding mortgage debt and any associated fees. If the sale price is less than the debt, the borrower might still owe a deficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to understand these final steps to be fully informed about the foreclosure process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.